After many attempts of printing, I have finally printed new hot end cover. I had to design my own since I switching to new hot end E3D V6. I was unable to find any solution, so I had to make my own. There is some existing variants, but they all have different approach. I can't use most of them because they using two colors for printed parts, and I don't want to use two colors. It's much more wiring, and I had to play with voltage. I'm not sure is it safe. And other variants is much more complicated. I had to switch to new hot end because previous one had some problems. It clocked so many times because it was in contact with heating source, so it was kind of problematic. One of the reasons I believe was cooling process. It was kind of unstable, so I had to switch to new hot end with different approach. So I made I made this one. It has all parts installed on magnets, so I can replace them. This version I have made for test approach in general. So I think I definitely will need to upgrade this because it's already a problem. ChatGPT lied to me, and magnets of this size is not very strong. So whole construction is kind of wobbly and a bit unsafe. It can be forced into right position, but sometimes it will do this. And unfortunately not compatible with previously installed direct drive, so to look like this. Hope it won't be problematic, and I can run at least some tests. I have installed more powerful cooler for hot end itself, because this one heats up to 300 degree when the stock one is only 250. And for cooling parts, I also using different color. Stock one had the problem because it can't work on in low power mode when power is less than 50%. So I had to replace it. So after some research, I have found this one 5015 is commonly used. Thanks for watching.